good. Gas leaking out of that right side carburetor. Oh, whoa! Turn the petcock off. Well, I found the issue. Huh, that's odd. Alright, just run everywhere, whatever. Today, we're working on my Yamaha RD400 again. I have a fuel leak, and the fuel line just popped right out of the carburetor. Let's take this thing apart and see if we can figure out what's going on, and maybe just put some sealant on it and push that fitting back in. Let's give it a try. I'm making this harder than I need to. Come on. Let's get this intake boot out of the way. It does not want to budge. Finally, lay that down the way it goes. This was the cross between both carburetors. This was broken off. And we've got a hose here. Maybe. Never mind, it'll come with us. Let's pop this slide out. Looks nice and clean for now. Alright, so here's where our fuel inlet was that popped out. And this is it right here. I'm going to probably put some Indian head on that and stick it back in and call it a day. There it is. Huh. That can't be the only thing that was leaking. Well, maybe. Feels like this is way too big for these. But I think that's just air. And then this one here was broke off. I'm not going to really worry about it. Trusty brake clean, not a sponsor. I'm going to clean this out. Maybe. Oh, my can's empty. Down to my last can of brake clean. Got to use the Walmart brand now. This gasket shellac says it works on gasoline. I'm going to try it. It didn't work too well on my leak fix, but we'll give it a try. Whoop, it went everywhere. Dab. Let it sit for a little bit. I'm not going to put any on this carburetor. Alright, so what do you think about this piece of fuel line that was on here? Good or not? I'm going to put it back together, but I don't really trust it right now, so we'll see. Yeah, it's been a few minutes. Stick this in, give it a tap. Let's see a potential other issue. Check this out. Well, maybe. Look at that. That would make gas leak too. To see if I have any hose this size. Alright, so I found this hose. It's quite a bit smaller with a thicker wall, but I did get it to fit on that filter. I have no idea if this is safe for gasoline though. This was a vacuum hose kit when I was running DSMs. I'm thinking about trying it. I mean, it's just a small section. I can replace it if it does something weird. Let's give it a shot. So according to the internet, this blue pipe isn't gasoline safe, but I don't think either is this clear crap. So I'm gonna put this on with the plan to replace it eventually. And when I say eventually, I mean along the side of the road when this thing gives out on me. Holy moly, I can't get that screw started. There we go. Nope. What is wrong with me? There we go. Alright, well, it's partially fixed. The better way to test it than to go for a ride. Oh, and I forgot to put the old hose clamp on. I might be walking it.